Make my lady look like a...
Because I like those suits.
That suit is available for every character, by the way. I found it last night when I could turn Jack 7 into Mr. Business.
Jack 7.
It's this
This is
giant
Jack.
suit. Yeah.
Mr. Business.
Mr. Business. We're actually playing some Tekken then, I assume. Do people want to play if I set up a party?
I can play in a little while.
You doing work?
Yeah.
Nice. What is that character anyway? Is that the one that can like summon spears? Like, because I had a character. Yeah, I had a character earlier who literally just materialized a shadow spear, like your fucking Pathfinder character. Ever since like I was like, what is this?
Come on.
Leo.
Oh!
How do I describe Leo?